Hello friends, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to update or edit existing MySQL data in Laravel 5.8 by using Ajax and Bootstrap Modal. In previous part we have already discussed how to insert or add data into MySQL data in Laravel 5.8 by using Ajax with file upload. Now let's start discussing this part. So we have go to Ajax index. Here first we have below file tag. Here we have create span tag with attribute ID is equal to store image. Under this we will display user image. Now we have go to jQuery code, and here we have write $with document selector, with on method, and under this we have right click event with button class edit. When user click on edit button, then this block of code will execute. Under this block, first we have write ID variable is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID, it will fetch value from ID attribute. Below this, we have write $with span tag ID form result with HTML method, with blank value, it will clear HTML code of this tag. Now we have write Ajax Request, and under this first we have write URL option, and under this we have write /Ajax Crud, /ID variable value, /edit, it will send request to this URL. In second option we have write data type, and here we have write JSON. So from server side it will receive data in JSON format. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function will be called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have write $with text box ID, with value method, and under this method we have write html.data.firstName, it will fill first name text box with data. Same way for fill last name text box, here we have write $with ID last name with value method, and under this we have write html.data.lastName, it will fill last name text box with data. For display uploaded image, here we have write $with span tag ID store image, with HTML method, and under this we have write image tag with source is equal to URL class with to method, it will return Laravel public directory link. After this we have write images folder name /html.data.image, it will display user image from public directory images folder. Same way for store image name in hidden field, so here we have write span tag ID store image with append method, and under this we have write input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to hidden name, and value is equal to html.data.image, so here we have store image name under this hidden field. Now we have write $with hidden field ID with value method, and under this we have write html.data.id, so here we have store ID in this hidden field. Below this, we have write $with modal title class, .text method, and under this we have write edit new record. It will change modal title. After this we have write $with button ID action button with value method, and under this we have write edit. It will change button text. Same way for change hidden action variable. So here we have write $with ID action with value method, and under this we have write edit. So here we have change action variable value from add to edit. Lastly, we want to pop up modal. So here we have write $with modal ID form modal with modal method, and under this we have write modal with show method. It will pop up modal on web page. Now we have go to Ajax Crud controller, and here we have go to edit method, and under this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write request method with Ajax method. So if this method received Ajax request, then it will execute if block of code. Under this method, we have write $data variable is equal to Ajax Crud model class, with find or fail method with $id as argument. This method will return related model, based on its primary key. So, here we have store data in $data variable. Now we want to send to Ajax in JSON format. So here we have write return statement, with response method, with JSON method. Under this method we have write array, with key data, and in value we have write $data variable. It will send this data to Ajax request in JSON format. Friends, first we have refresh web page, and after refresh of web page, first we want to check first row data has been appear in modal box or not. So, we have click on first row edit button. After click on edit button, we can see modal has been pop up on web page, and here we can see modal form has been filled with data, and below file tag we can see uploaded image. Here modal title and modal submit button has been changed, so when we have click on edit button, then it will submit form data. So we have go to jQuery code of submit button. And here we have write, if statement, and under condition we have write, $with hidden tag ID action with value method, is equal to edit. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have start write Ajax request. Under this first we have write URL option set to Laravel expression, and between this we have write root method. Under this method, we have write Ajax c.r.u.d. method. It will send Ajax request to update method of Ajax Crud controller. In second option, we have write method, and in this option we can define which method of form data sending has been used here. So here we have use post method for send form data. In third option, we have write data, and here we have write new form data object. It will send form data to server, in the set of key and value pair. In fourth option, we have set content type set to false. It has been used when data sent to server. In fifth option, we have set cache option set to false. It will unable to cache requested pages. In sixth option, we have set process data option set to false. for send non-processed data file to server. In 7th option, we have write data type, and in this option we can define in which data format we have to receive data from server. So here we define JSON, so it will get data in JSON format. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server, which it can access from data argument. Under this callback function, we have first write HTML variable is equal to blank value. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write data.error. If any errors data has been received, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write HTML variable is equal to division tag with class is equal to bootstrap alert class with danger. Below this we have write for loop, and under condition we have write count variable is equal to 0, count variable value less than value of data.errors.length variable value, and count variable value increment by 1. Under this loop, we have write HTML variable, and under this variable we have append data like data.errors with count variable index. It will store all validation error under this HTML variable. After this, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write data.success. If any success variable has received from server, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write HTML variable is equal to data.success, so here success message has been stored under bootstrap alert success class. For clear all form fields, here we have write $ with form ID sample form with 0 index.reset method. It will clear all form value. Same way for clear user image, so here we have write $ with span tag ID store image, with HTML method with blank value. It will clear image data which has been displayed below file tag. After this, we want to refresh data tables data, so here we have write $ with table ID user table.data table method .ajax.reload method. It will refresh data table data. Lastly, we want to display error or success message on web page, so here we have write $ with span tag is form result.html method, and under this we have write HTML variable. It will display success or error message on web page. Now we have go to update method of Ajax Crud controller, which will receive Ajax request for update data request. Here first we have write $image name variable is equal to $request variable with hidden image. Here we have store hidden image tag value under this $image name variable. Below this, we have write $image variable is equal to $request variable with file method, and under this we have write file tag name. So here we have store file tag property under $image variable. Now we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $image variable value is not equal to blank, This condition will check $image variable has some value or not. If it has some value, then it will execute if block, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose user has select profile image, then it will execute if block of code. So under this block of code, we'll validate form data with upload image. Under this block, we have write $rules variable is equal to array. In first key we have write first name, and in value we have write validation rules required. Same way in second key we have write last name. And in value we have write validation rules required, and in last key we have write image, and in value we have write validation rules like required, image and maximum image size 2048. This image key validation rules will check, selected file must be an image, and image size must be less than equal to 2048 byte. After this here we have write, $error variable is equal to, validator class with make method. Under this method we have write, $request variable with all method, and in second argument we have write $rules variable. Here this make method of validator class will create new instance of validation. If there is any validation error occur, then it will store under $error variable. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $error variable with fails method. This condition will be true if form data fails any validation rules. Under this block, we have write return statement with response method with JSON method. This JSON method will transform resource into an HTTP response in the form of JSON. Under this method, we have write array with key errors with value get from, $error variable with errors method with all method. Here it will fetch all validation error and store under errors key, which will be sent to Ajax Request. But suppose there is no any form validation error occur, then code will continue execute code. Now we want to generate new image name, so here we have write, $image name variable is equal to, PHP random function with, $image variable with, get client original extension method. This method will return original file extension. This code will generate new image name. For upload image, here we have write, $image variable with move method. This method will move file to a new location. Under this method, we have write public path method. This method will return public folder path, and under this we have write images folder name. In second argument we have write, $image name variable. This code will upload selected file into images folder of Laravel public folder. But suppose user has not select any image from file tag, then it will execute else block of code, and under this block, we want to only validate first name and last name field data. Under this block, we have write $rules variable is equal to array. In first key we have write first name with value set to required, and in second key we have write last name, and in value we have write required. So, here we have defined required field validation rules in the form of array for both form, which has been stored under $rules variable. After this here we have write, $error variable is equal to, validator class with make method. Under this method we have write, $request variable with all method, and in second argument we have write $rules variable. Here this make method of validator class will create new instance of validation. If there is any validation error occur, then it will store under $error variable. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $error variable with fails method. This condition will be true if form data fails any validation rules. Under this block, we have write return statement with response method with JSON method. This JSON method will transform resource into an HTTP response in the form of JSON. Under this method, we have write array with key errors with value get from, $error variable with errors method with all method. Here it will fetch all validation error and store under errors key, which will be sent to Ajax Request. But suppose there is no any form validation error occur, then code will continue execute code. So here we have write form data variable is equal to array, with key first name, and value get from $request variable with first name. In second key, we have write, last name, and value get from $request variable with last name, and in third key we have write, image with value get from $image name variable. So this way we have store form data under this $form data variable. Below this, we have write, Ajax Crud model class, with where ID method, and under this we have write $request variable with hidden ID. This method will add where clause in update query. After this, we have write update method, and under this we have write $form data variable. This method will update data in the database. For send response to Ajax request in JSON format, here we have write return statement with response method with JSON method. Under this method we have write array, with key success, and in value we have write data added successfully. This method will send response to Ajax request in JSON format. This time it will send success response to Ajax request. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, we can see user data in data tables with edit and delete button. Now we want to edit first row user data, so we have click on edit button. After click on edit button, modal has been pop up on web page with that user data has been filled into form, and user image has been displayed below file tag which can see here, and here modal title and button text has been changed. Now we want to change first name field data, so here we have change and click on edit button. After click on edit button, then we can see success message on web page, with first name changes has been displayed in table format. Same way we want to change profile image, so here we have click on edit button, and after click on edit button, then modal has been pop up on web page. Now we have select profile image. Now we have click on edit button, we can see success message on web page, and here that user profile image also change. So here edit or update of MySQL data has been done successfully in Laravel 5.8 using Ajax. In next part, we will discuss how to delete or remove data from MySQL table in Laravel 5.8 by using Ajax with Bootstrap Modal. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.